Southeast Asia, a region of dense, unforgiving rainforests, rugged mountains, and fractured urban landscapes. To operate here is a test of pure endurance, and no force embodies this struggle quite like the modern Philippine infantry. For decades, the Philippine Army fought a brutal counterinsurgency war in the jungle. But in 2017, the siege of Marawi changed everything, forcing rapid modernization and blending jungle warfare with modern urban combat. Today on Archival Kit, we break down the equipment of the modern Filipino soldier, from unique camouflage to innovative battlefield gear. The jungle tool, Bolo Knife. Before we talk about rifles, we must talk about survival. The heavy carbon steel Bolo Knife is essential. It clears paths, builds shelters, and in the hands of a Filipino soldier, trained in traditional martial arts, it is a terrifyingly effective melee weapon. PHILARPAT Digital Camouflage. The signature look of the modern soldier is the PHILARPAT, Philippine Army pattern. This digital wrap uses shades of bright green and black, precisely algorithmically tuned to blend into the high-contrast light of the rainforest canopy. Ballistic Protection, Tactical Vest. Modern operations demand ballistic plates. The Army's modular MALA vest allows soldiers to customize their load, carrying 5.56 mm magazines, a medical kit, and a hydration bladder in a single protective system. High-cut combat helmet. The lightweight high-cut ballistic helmet offers critical head protection without compromising visibility or comfort. Side rails and a front shroud allow for the mounting of night vision and communication headsets. Jungle Eyes, ballistic goggles. In Marawi, concrete dust blindfolded troops. In the jungle, thorns are a constant threat. Ballistic goggles are now essential personal protective equipment for situational awareness in any terrain. Main weapon, SIG Sauer M400. Lightweight, modular, and extremely reliable, the SIG Sauer M400 carbine is the new standard issue rifle. Chambered in 5.56 NATO, it provides the precision needed in both dense jungle canopies and urban environments. A studio photograph of a black polymer 5.56 mm rifle magazine, featuring the texture pattern and a small ammunition window, centered against a solid, neutral matte gray studio background. Weapon sling, crucial for transition. A proper tactical rifle sling, two-point style, is not just for carrying the weapon. It allows for rapid transition to a secondary sidearm when primary magazines run empty in close-quarters battle. Traction, modern jungle boots. A soldier's mobility relies on their feet. Modern jungle boots combine breathable canvas mesh panels to shed water with a thick rubber Panama sole designed specifically to grip slippery mud. Hydration system, 3L. A modern soldier cannot rely on 1-liter canteens. A 3-liter hydration bladder, integrated into the vest, allows for constant hydration on long patrols in the extreme Southeast Asian heat. Communication, Harris Falcon III radio. In dense foliage, communication is the first casualty. The Harris Falcon III radio is the squad's nerve center, capable of encryption and communicating through jungle canopies that often block satellite signals. Night vision, PVS-14. Ownership of the night is crucial. Modern units are equipped with PVS-14 night vision devices. This monocular allows the Filipino soldier to ambush counterinsurgents who are often moving blindly in the dark. Identification, IR Helmet Strobe. This tiny blinking infrared IR strobe on the helmet is invisible to the naked eye, but through night vision, it prevents friendly fire by identifying the exact position of Allied troops to aircraft and other modern units. Medical kit, Tourniquet, and IFAK. The siege of Marawi prioritized immediate life-saving skills. Every modern soldier carries a CAT tourniquet and an IFAK, individual first aid kit, to stop catastrophic bleeding from explosions or high-velocity rounds. Signal, smoke grenade, M18. The M18 colored smoke grenade is essential. It is the only reliable way for an isolated infantry squad to signal helicopters for extraction or close air support above a continuous forest canopy. Assault pack, essential for patrol. A soldier carries what they need for a patrol in the assault backpack. 30 to 40 liters of capacity, durable, and designed to balance the load of extra ammo, water, and food. Utility: tactical multi-tool. From clearing a jam in the Sig Sauer to cutting communications wire, a tactical multi-tool, Leatherman style, is an essential, always carried item for repairs and fieldcraft. Navigation: map case plus compass. While modern GPS units are used, the dense jungle canopy often blocks satellite signals. A durable map case with paper maps and a compass remains a soldier's only 100% reliable navigation tool. Energy: MRE ration pack. Soldiers rarely have access to a field kitchen. The military MRE ration pack, meals ready to eat, provides the high-calorie energy needed to continue operating through days of high-exertion patrolling. Shelter: military jungle hammock. Filipino troops rarely sleep on the wet ground. The nylon jungle hammock with its integrated mosquito net and waterproof tarp is a critical piece of hygiene and survival equipment. In the jungle or the city, limb protection is vital for survival. Hard-knuckle gloves shield hands from thorns and hot barrels without losing trigger feel. Knee and elbow pads absorb impacts on rough terrain, preventing joint injuries during rapid movement. It's the perfect balance of protection and agility for the harshest environments. For breaking through bunkers or ambushes, the M67 Fragmentation Grenade is the squad's primary indirect firepower. With a lethal radius of 15 meters, it's an essential tool for clearing dense foliage and fortified positions. The last line: combat sidearm. When the primary weapon fails or magazines run dry in a tight stairwell, the soldier transitions to the Glock 17. Reliable, lightweight, and simple to operate, it has become the preferred secondary for modern units. Pierce the dark, tactical flashlight. In the dense jungle or the pitch-black ruins of a city, a high-lumen tactical flashlight is non-negotiable. Whether mounted on a rifle or held in hand, it is used to identify threats, signal teammates, or temporarily blind an enemy. These items are more than just gear. They are the material history of a transformation, a military that has successfully bridged the gap between ancient jungle wisdom and 21st century technology. In the hands of the Filipino soldier, ingenuity is as powerful as firepower. This is the gear of a survivor. This is the archival kit of the tropical warrior.